What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use one-handed mode in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on advanced features. Now in advanced features, here you will see a one-handed mode option, so tap on this option and then first of all turn on this button on the top. Now to turn on one-handed mode you have to turn off all these features, so tap on OK and after that the one-handed mode will be enabled. Now you can choose the gesture or button to enable or disable one-handed mode. So if you will choose button, then double tap the home button to open the one-handed mode. So double tap on this button and one-handed mode will be enabled. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the screen. You can change the place. So you can see now you can use the phone with one hand. If you want to increase the size, then drag from the corner and then its size will be increased. Now if you want to move the screen to the left side, then tap on this arrow, and if you want to move it back to the right side, then tap on this arrow, and if you want to change its position, then drag from this bar. So that's how you can use one-handed mode in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.